Good afternoon, everyone. Here in the Weather Centre, we're currently tracking the strong cold front that will make landfall today, and this may even bring mountain snowfalls to the Western Cape overnight as well as on Saturday. Along with this, we're expecting a cooler weekend across Western South Africa. Now, our satellite loop shows that it's been a clear start to Friday over the western and central parts of the country. In KZN, Limpopo and in Mpumalanga, on the other hand, it was fairly cloudy, and there was even a bit of light rain along the escarpment areas. Down towards the southwest, we can see the cold front that's fast approaching our western coastline, and that front will be making landfall by early evening. Now, on our futurecast, we see it's cloudy to partly cloudy in the north, isolated thunder showers expected for many areas, including in Gauteng, and there that cold front will be sweeping in over the western parts, pushing in cold air and also allowing for some rainfall across those areas overnight. For tomorrow, showers are expected across the south coast. It's going to be a cloudy, cold and wet day across those areas. Otherwise, mainly clear for the western and central interior, while up in the far northern parts, more thunder shower activity expected for your Saturday afternoon. Taking a look at today's rainfall probabilities, and with that cold front, there's a very good chance for rainfall over the Cape Peninsula as well as further inland and along parts of the west coast. And later on tonight, the rain will be spreading up the west coast and along the southern coastline, perhaps even reaching Port Elizabeth. Thunder showers will be isolated to scattered up in the far northern parts of the country. We could see thunder showers in Gauteng and even parts of the northwest, particularly into this evening. Now, the South African Weather Service has issued a watch for gale force northwesterly winds between Cape Point and Cape Agulhas as that cold front moves through later this afternoon, but moderating overnight. Winds will also be picking up across the western interior as the day goes on, fresh to strong winds developing in places late in the afternoon as well as into this evening. Taking a closer look now at your maximum temperatures, and it's going to be a hot day for some parts of northern South Africa, some places above 30 degrees, warm in KwaZulu-Natal as well as much of the Eastern Cape, but along the western coastline, things are already cooling down with that cold front approaching. Now, the cold front will also be having an effect on the minimum temperatures. It's going to be cold tomorrow morning across the western high ground, some places even dropping below freezing, -3 for Sutherland. Warm on the other hand in the eastern parts of Bergwind, having an effect along the eastern coastline and in the Lowveld, keeping things very warm for some areas. Cape Town today reaches a high of 20 as we've seen rainfall settling in over the mother city, fresh northwesterly winds also developing. And overnight, those winds will turn to the southwest behind the cold front, a minimum of 11 degrees, but we're still expecting showers even into the early hours of tomorrow. Looking at tomorrow afternoon now, and it's going to be sunny and cool for Kimberley and Uppington, while thunder showers continue in Gauteng, Limpopo as well as in Mpumalanga. And on Sunday, we're expecting rainfall to spread up the eastern coastline and thunderstorms continue over a very similar area. That's all from the Weather Centre. Enjoy the rest of your Friday.